All right, so here's a quick video how our fire pit assembles. So starting off here with it, just all the pieces laid out. You would get it collapsed, which I'll show you at the end here. So a few things to note. These are the sides with the handles built in. Two sides, they are mirror images of each other. So you can't really put them on wrong, besides that the top where it like bevels out here is the outside. So this is outside, this is the inside. And then the two bottom pieces here are a little different. So if you look here, you have about an inch in this section, and this one's about a ½ inch. So this will go in last, basically, which we'll see in a second too. But that's the only differences really. Besides that, it's really simple, and we'll get to it. All right, so we're gonna start with one of the sides and the piece with the longer bottom here. So I like to face them away from me. You can angle them so you can see what you're doing. Slide it in. Now we do our other side. So that's slid in. Now we slide in the shorter piece. Again, got the shorter end here. I like to get one side in, and then you can angle the other side out, and you can really easily just start the bottom and slide it in. There. So the main parts together, you can see this bottom short piece is on the inside of the other bottom, so they kind of overlap in the middle there. Now we could throw the ash pan in. So you see down here, this is our open end, so this will slide in that way. So I'll just pick it up a little. There we go. Slid in there. Now, put the bottom grate in. And this can go any way, but the top is like this, so. Just sits in there. Got our grill plate risers, slide in there. Grill plate goes wherever you want it. Also is notched in for the main section. Okay, so that's assembly. Disassembly is just the opposite. All right, and now the way to stack this for carrying, or just a way I like to do it to keep it all packed up nice. So we got your 1/4 inch bolt that comes with it, a washer. So now this is where these differ a little too, the sides. The hole is offset a little bit on the one. So you just put them together. You can see I picked the right way, the holes line up. If it's the other way, the holes will be a little off, so they won't line up. So I like to stick the bolt in through the back. Just set it down. And then we want our longer piece, longer bottom. Put it on there. Now the one at the shorter bottom goes next. Throw your ash pan on. The grate goes upside down, and the hole's on the one side, which is the bottom. Throw your washer on. Wing nut. The weight of the fire pit kind of holds the bolt in the bottom there. So then it's all good to go. If you have a comfort handle, you just slide it in here. So it's all one piece. This is pretty similar. Just throw your bolt through the back or the front, doesn't really matter. Washer, wing nut. All right. Now you're set to carry them.